Welcome back to my channel, everybody. My name is Rick Bork. How you guys doing today? Today we got the Kubota 6040 out and we got to feed hay. So I'm not going to make a feed and hay video, but we got a little project I've been wanting to do on that tractor for a little while, and I figured we'd make a video and show you guys how this works out. What we're going to do is we're going to take this little wheel spinner, they call it. You call it a lot of things. Wheel spinner, suicide knob, steering wheel knob, whatever. We're going to put that on the tractor, make it a little bit easier when we're feeding hay. A lot easier when I'm cutting hay. For making those nice 90-degree corners, because I really get mad at myself when I miss hay on the corners. So let's climb in the tractor and get this thing put on. So the nice thing about this steering wheel spinner, guys, is it comes with all the hardware in it. As you can see in the back there, it comes with all the hardware. It even comes with the little Allen tool for putting it on, which is kind of nice because now I don't have to go look for an Allen wrench. So let me turn this heater down so you can hear me a little bit better, and we'll figure out where we're going to put this. Alright folks, this is what you get with the steering wheel knob. You can see here we got some shorter screws, some slightly longer screws in case your steering wheel is a little bit bigger. We got the Allen tool, and we actually have this little rubber insert that you can wrap around your steering wheel if the steering wheel is real small. This is the bottom half, and of course this is the top half. So let's go ahead and get that put on there and we'll see how it works out. So here's my thought process on this, folks, and this is probably going to be backwards for everybody else, but I'm left-handed, you know, because I think with the right side of my brain. Just saying. Anyway, I'm thinking my location will be here. That would be about the ideal location. If I put my armrest down when I'm cutting hay, that's about where my left hand will rest. For you guys, that might be different. You might be over here on the right side, you might be up on top. You just got to figure out what's comfortable. With the wheels pointed forward, keep in mind on a tractor like this that's all hydraulic, that can vary a little bit. So, and on a tractor that has a mechanical steering shaft between the steering box and the steering wheel, make sure if you're putting a steering knob on there that you're well aware that the feedback in those tires when you hit ruts and bumps and stuff like that can catch the inside of your thumb pretty fast. So you gotta watch how you hang on to that steering knob. So. That's a look at the finished product. And that's actually a pretty heavy duty setup. That's a cast aluminum base. It's got roller bearings in the knob, so it won't wire out real fast. I know some of the older ones just used to be a bolt going through a plastic knob and they'd wear out and get all loose. This one's a little heavier duty. They're like 12 or 14 bucks. They're not too bad. We had to use the longer screws on this application. The shorter screws would be for a smaller diameter steering wheel. So we're going to go feed cows, see how this knob works out. I do appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.